Let's look at a variety of light fields. Of course, if you notice, we basically started off by looking at this function here, which of course has 7 parameters. So this is a 7-dimensional light field, has 7 different dimensions. Again, we know what these are by now. It captures the entire scene, and in essence, this would be the best way to represent a holographic video, right? At any point, we can see all 3D. As we move our viewpoint, we can actually see different types of 3D, and this is the concept really behind holographic video. Something you may recall from an old movie, we saw Princess Leia show up in complete 3D. I'm not going to go into a lot of details about holography here, but I encourage you to look at this kinds of stuff. Of course, it's been one of those bigger efforts of trying to understand imaging and being able to generate imaging out of nowhere into thin space, like in this case here. We can also, of course, create a 5-dimensional light field. What we notice basically is we're ignoring the time and wavelength. So we're basically kind of not paying attention to the video aspect, the temporal aspect, the dynamic aspect, and also we're kind of saying is, okay, let's not worry about too many different types of colors. Let's simplify it as much as possible. It's really more aimed at capturing the viewpoint and the direction of the information. And you've seen this kind of stuff with very simple holograms, like this one that you most probably have on your credit card. I point this out because one of the people I had the privilege of working with, Steve Benton, was one of the people who invented these Bentograms and actually was always involved with a whole lot of holographic video research when I was a graduate student.